Alright, so this pile of mud may not look like much, but here in the upstate we seldom ever get the stick beaver dams that you see on TV so much for up north, Alaska and other places like that. We get this mud dam. They take their tail and their feet and they push mud up from back behind it. And you see that it's gone all the way across. Just marvelous engineering to make water back up in this area. The problem is they can only get so high with the mud until they need sticks to build more and higher, which is what they'll need if they ever get a lodge. It's not deep enough in this pool. Habitat where there wasn't one. Sitting here in the bright sun, you might can see the wind, or hear the wind most likely. I'm enjoying the day. Just behind the camera over here is my friend Carolina Chris Outdoors, and so he's hanging out here. You might hear him chime in a minute. We'll change the camera angle. There you go. See, but something that's neat today. This is a stove, or a windscreen combination stove. We're going to try it out on this windy day and see what happens. Hopefully it helps some. So from the sound of this wind, you know it's getting it, and that's what this is supposed to help. Comes with a solid fuel plate or something to put under your stove if you want to. Okay, there you go. And then it unfolds like this. Not an unusual design. It's from Outdoor. Who knows what that is? And if you'll see it, it snaps together like this. And your pot sits on top, and your stove sits in the slots. You'll see it. Let's do it. There we go. So I have this lighter, and I want to mention, if y'all have never watched Alberta Schooley, I enjoy her videos. The other day, she has a school bus and she drives around in the snow camping. I do not have my flint and steel and all that stuff with me today, but she said she had several ways to start a fire, and I commented that, yeah, I carry quite a collection of different things for backup, lighter, matches, and usually a ferro rod and some other things too. So, but today we're just going to use this safety bic here. And boom, you can't see it, but you can feel it. So give Miss Schooley, Alberta Schooley, and her school bus a try, if you will. So I got some water in my pot, and I actually got this little stand and stove just so that it might actually fit this 1-cup cooker here, a little hot pot. Coffee of choice today is a pod. Boom. That's all you do. All right, here we go. Got a boil. Well, that seems to be working okay on a very windy day. I'm not going to argue with that at all, that we've got that much heat to boil that water. And it's really only been a few minutes. I ain't going to say how many. What do you think, Chris? 5 minutes? 10 minutes? Has it been that long?
I'd say 6 minutes.
Okay, that's a good option. We got the water boiling. See what else we can cook. Still got heat. Still got maybe an ounce of fuel left. Something like that. And the way you turn the heat up and down is you lift the pan. That's it. Oh, wait a minute. I think I have a better idea. It's called a spatula. Chris, what would make this sausage taste a little better. What do you think? Anything?
Yeah, some Texas Pete.
I don't have Texas Pete.
I got some.
But I do have butter. How about that? How about some butter?
Yep, butter will work. Some ghee. Some Bushcraft butter.
Yeah. Get that in
You
there.
can tell I watch your videos.
You do. In my cold handle pot or pan, literally, you know, it's not hot. So I'm really thankful for that. That was one of those thrift store finds that my wife always goes looking for. And she finds them. She has a really good eye for that. There we go. Well, I'm not disappointed with that cook. That's looking just fine. Looks like the sausage has had all the cooking it needs. What you cooking, Chris?
You heard of shrimp fried rice?
Mm-hmm.
I'm having scallop fried rice with these bay scallops,
Ooh.
which I've already cooked. I'm just doing my rice and veggies and garlic and stuff now.
Oh, well, that's a little more elaborate than my sausage.
Well, you know.
Well, okay then. That's good looking stuff, man.
You know, I got enough. Not for Mike, but I got enough for you. But I
Yeah,
don't have enough for
yeah, you get some. I don't get it. That's right. I got my coffee. I got my burn up summer sausage and this piece of bread that's going to look like something. I'm not sure what. I think it's time to have a cup of coffee. What do you think, Chris?
Yeah, I might make me another one.
Oh, there you are. I'm sorry.
That's bay scallops with garlic and onion, little sesame seeds with some soy sauce and
Is it right there?
peas and carrots. I don't know.
It is. You can see it. Yeah, there it is.
Yeah.
It smells wonderful.
I got a little ginger in there. Good stuff.
I'm going for the flip. Nope.
Yay.
Sorta. Kinda. You know it's warm out when your butter melts in the jar. Okay, so I finished up the summer sausage and I have this hush puppy pancake thing. Have you ever seen Michael's Magic Marinade? I believe you have. We're going to put a little of that on top of this little thing. It doesn't taste bad the way it is. Let's see if we can make it a little better. That's not bad. That tastes like a hush puppy. I mean, that's what it is.
Yeah.
A giant hush puppy. Okay, so finished up the meal. I'm not unhappy with the little cook stove and this burner that they sent me. It's one of those Amazon things. Like I said, again, it's called a, find the word on it, Out-D. Or outdoor, I assume. So we'll fold this up, put it back in its little sleeve, and be on our merry way. Thanks for watching.
Got enough. Not for Mike, but I got enough for you.
Like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment. It's a wild world, so get out there, and thanks for watching.